Hi, I'm Joe from Norfolk Specialties, and what I do here is run the EDMs, the electronic discharge machine. What it's doing is running a 10,000 diameter wire through the parts, creating a tiny spark, and is burning the metal away. And you can justify by stacking parts, doing multiple parts, and repeatability is phenomenal with this machine. The advantages of EDM machining over conventional machining is accuracy and the ability to stack multiple parts at once, and also to get a smaller corner radius down to a 3/1000th of an inch radius. The EDM machine is capable of maintaining a high accuracy. On this particular part would be a plus 5/1000 minus nothing on these holes, and we stacked these 15 parts per cutting and end up with 15 good parts.
Currently, this ADM machine is cutting multiple parts. They're submerged underwater for cooling purposes.